My video will furnish you with guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Mimic. So Mimic is a new ransomware that we recently discovered. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that users store on their hard drives. The ransomware is able to damage the files. Before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Mimic ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Very soon, users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. Obviously, it's not possible to use the data. The ransomware then tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the files restored. So don't pay the ransom. These are the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, a ransom message comes up instead, mentioning that you need to pay the ransom. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, and we suggest you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, then click on Start a Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. The scanning will begin, and then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on your computer. At the end of the scan you will see the information about threats. You will also be able to know about their exact locations on the system. I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of the program. Premium license has got anti-ransomware feature. It does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from all further ransomware or malware attacks. So once again, anti-ransomware feature in Combo Cleaner is not able to decrypt files, but it will help you to effectively remove this ransomware and to protect your data from any other possible ransomware or malware attacks. So premium license is what you need to keep your files, your data always under the protection from further attacks.